Hello mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel, reviewing another brand, a model kit brand, in this case Minicraft model kits from China. Very good, very nice quality model kits. With they are using the same molds like in Bandai, etc. This is the Piper Cherokee 140. This is a very nice art of the aircraft, the Piper Cherokee 140, with this livery with yellow and black stripes, with nice boots in 1/48 scale. You see over there a very nice Bonanza V35 flying down there. Very good. The box is medium and kind of strong, with the original cellophane, transclear cellophane, partially opened. These are how it looks like, the aircraft already built on the ground, very neat, very clean, very nice. And this one is mounted on the display stand, if you want this way to display, or another view on the ground. Very nice finishing. On this side, the same cover, same name of the aircraft. This is the Minicraft model kit's logo, skill level number 2, and this is for the catalog. The number is 11610. Another information here, I see two addresses, one in North America and USA, copyright 2001, Minicraft models, 921 North State Street, Elgin, Illinois, 60123, 2146 USA, the zip code, and Minicraft models, PO Box 55, Letchworth, Hertz, SG6 1SG, England. In case of need, retain address. This is a very important warning, not suitable for children under 36 months of age because of small parts. The barcode, and this is an identification for the toy, the IMMA, like testers or the other brands. More information in some languages, in English, in French, in Netherlands, Spanish, German, etc. Maybe this is Portuguese. Made in China, as I told you. Well, let's open the box and see the contents. This is the appearance. That's the water stickers with the stripes, livery stripes. Some parts, transclear parts, then very nice and shiny display stand. More sprue with parts and building instructions. Very large building instructions from Minicraft. It's got 46 pieces, I counted them all. The dimensions 14.4 centimeters long by 19 centimeters wingspan. The same cover in black and white, 1/48 scale. Short history of the aircraft right here, and part of the markings on this page. How to make the decorations, how to paint the navigation lights, etc. Two pages, well, four foldings, 4 zones. How to assemble the cockpit floor with seats, how to paint them, how to paint the panel controls, assembling the cockpit floor with seats and the three halves wings, main wings, the windows inside, the side windows, the panel control, the horizontal stabilizer, one piece, one mold, one solid mold, assembling the whole wings with the fuselage halves already cemented, this panel for the engine, sighting view from tail to nose in order to check the diagonal angles, very important thing, 90 degrees between the horizontal stabilizer and the vertical fin, assembling the detailed engine with the struts, etc., the exhaust pipes, assembling the windshield, the engine with the bottom engine cowling, the nose landing gear with boots. This is how to assemble the reflector light into this hole for the engine cowling, assembling the landing gear struts with the boots under the wings, more checking more diagonal angles, and very in the same level the landing gear, very important, this the sprue map with all the pieces on the sprues, some codes for the building instruction. It's from 1998 Minicraft Models Inc. That's about the building instructions. Let's detail the very nice, very good quality water stickers with the yellow stripe, yellow and black stripes livery. With this US registration, November 123 Tango. That's for the step, for the wing step, the name of the aircraft, the logo, Minicraft logo, very complete water stickers for the main livery. Let's check the fuselage halves as always. It's all in white color, pre-colored, very smooth panel lines, recessed panel lines, except for the vertical fin. It's got a little bit raised. I am feeling them, yeah, a little bit raised, not big deal, but very nice. The little hole for attaching the display stand here, very nice. The three halves, wing halves, main wing halves, three parts. You have to fill and sand this part of the fuselage. That's the reason why we have to fill and sand. Well, remaining sprues, plastic sprues, no people for dioramas. These are the cowling, the bottom part and the top. No gluing it, because you could show the engine, the detailed engine, the horizontal stabilizer, one piece, one solid mold, the boots for the landing gears, the main wings, and the nose landing gear. Very nice. And this is the piece for the ball-on socket system for the display stand. Okay, that's for the pivot movement like Matchbox brand usually does. Well, let's check this other sprue with some loose parts like this cockpit floor, the struts, the panels inside for the engine, the sign for the aircraft with this feature, the seats, the engine struts, etc. Let's check the trans-clear parts. Let's check the trans-clear parts. Still sealed in the original bag. The windshield, the reflector, a little sign, a trans-clear sign with the Piper Cherokee logo, and the side windows. So very interesting, very nice. Well, I think that's all about this wonderful review of this very popular aircraft, the Piper Cherokee 140 from Minicraft Model Kits, made in China, but in very nice high quality. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.